Welcome to 14 Foods That Fast-Track Aging. Surprised? Did you know that the foods you eat can actually speed up the aging process? It's true. You could be shoving wrinkles and saggy skin into your mouth with every bite. Stay tuned to discover the top 14 foods that make you age faster and look older. We're diving deep into the culinary culprits that are adding years to your face and stealing your youthful glow. You'll be surprised by some of these, I guarantee you. Right, let's kick things off with a real shocker. Energy drinks. You think they're giving you a boost, but they're actually dragging you down, making you look like you've been through a culinary war zone. These sugary, caffeine-laden concoctions are an absolute nightmare for your body. They dehydrate you faster than a sunbed in the Sahara Desert, leaving your skin looking like an old leather boot. And the sugar? Don't even get me started. It's a one-way ticket to Wrinklesville, folks. You're basically drowning your cells in sugar, causing inflammation and making you look older than you are. It's like pouring petrol on a fire. You're just accelerating the aging process. Now, I enjoy a good glass of wine as much as the next person, but let's be clear, excessive alcohol is like a wrecking ball to your youthful looks. It's dehydrating, robbing your skin of its natural moisture, and leaving you looking like a dried-up prune. You see, alcohol messes with your collagen production, and collagen is the stuff that keeps your skin plump and elastic. So you end up with wrinkles, fine lines, and saggy skin. Think of it this way, every time you overdo it with the booze, you're basically slapping your face with a fast-forward button, speeding up the aging process. And don't even get me started on the puffy eyes and dark circles. So remember, moderation is key. Right, you think you're being clever, swapping sugar for these artificial sweeteners, eh? Think again. These chemical concoctions might sound innocent, but they're messing with your gut like a donkey in a china shop. And a messed up gut means messed up hormones, which leads to, you guessed it, looking like you've been aged in a deep fryer. It's a bloody disaster. You want to age gracefully? Then ditch these fake sweeteners and choose natural, wholesome foods. Listen up, you lot. You think those crispy fries are worth looking like you've been sunbathing in the Sahara? Frying your food is like throwing your body in a furnace. The oxidation process is a one-way ticket to premature aging. You're basically setting your cells on fire, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and a whole host of other problems. Want to look younger? Then lay off the fried junk and opt for healthier cooking methods, like grilling or baking. White sugar is the culinary equivalent of a wrecking ball to your body. This refined garbage spikes your blood sugar, leading to a process called glycation. It's like coating your collagen in concrete, making your skin stiff, inflexible, and prone to wrinkles. It's a bloody nightmare. Want to keep your youthful glow? Then ditch the white sugar and choose natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, in moderation, of course. Listen up, buddy. You think those sausages and bacon are doing you any favors? Think again. Processed meats are packed with preservatives and enough sodium to make your arteries scream. All that salt dehydrates you, making your skin look like a dried-up prune. And those preservatives, they're like throwing a grenade into your system, causing inflammation and speeding up the aging process. It's enough to make me want to chuck a pan at someone. You know what's worse than soggy bread? Spreading that soggy bread with margarine? It's a one-way ticket to premature aging thanks to those nasty trans fats. They're like a wrecking ball to your cells, causing inflammation and damage that leaves you looking older than a burnt steak. You want smooth, supple skin? Then ditch the margarine and stick to healthier fats like olive oil or avocado. You'll thank me later. Ah, soda. The bubbly beverage that seems so harmless, but is actually a fizzy fountain of aging. Each sip is a cocktail of sugar, artificial flavors, and acids that expedite the aging process. The high sugar content spikes your insulin levels, leading to inflammation and collagen breakdown, making your skin saggy and wrinkled. And let's not forget the phosphoric acid, which can leach calcium from your bones, making them weaker over time. If you want to keep that youthful glow and strong bones, it's time to kick soda to the curb and opt for healthier alternatives like herbal teas or infused water. Trust me, your future self will raise a glass to that. Ah, pastries, those delectable flaky treats that seem to call your name from the bakery window. But beware, these sweet saboteurs are anything but innocent. Packed with refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and often artificial ingredients, pastries can wreak havoc on your skin and overall health. The high sugar content in pastries leads to glycation, a process where sugar molecules attach to collagen and elastin proteins in your skin, causing them to become stiff and less elastic. This results in wrinkles, sagging, and a dull complexion. Additionally, the trans fats found in many pastries can increase inflammation and oxidative stress, accelerating the aging process even further. And it's not just your skin that suffers. These unhealthy fats can clog your arteries, leading to cardiovascular issues over time. So, the next time you're tempted by a croissant or a donut, remember that these tasty treats come with a hefty price tag on your health and youthful appearance. Opt for whole grain options or make your own healthier versions at home to satisfy your cravings without the aging side effects. Your body's natural glow and vitality are too precious to be sabotaged by these sweet culprits. Choose wisely and let your food be a reflection of your commitment to a healthier, younger you. Ah, potato chips. Those irresistibly crunchy, salty snacks that seem to disappear by the handful. But did you know that these seemingly innocent treats could be fast-tracking your aging process? Potato chips are loaded with unhealthy fats, excessive sodium, and a host of artificial additives that can wreak havoc on your body. First, let's talk about the fats. Most commercially available potato chips are fried in oils high in trans fats and saturated fats. These fats can cause inflammation and oxidative stress in your body, which accelerates the breakdown of collagen and elastin in your skin. The result? Premature wrinkles, sagging skin, and a generally aged appearance. Next up, sodium. The high salt content in potato chips can lead to water retention, making your skin look puffy and bloated. Over time, excessive sodium intake can also contribute to high blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues, adding years to your biological age. And let's not forget about the artificial additives. Many potato chips contain preservatives, artificial flavors, and colorings that can disrupt your body's natural balance and contribute to chronic inflammation. This inflammation can accelerate the aging process, affecting not just your skin but your overall health. So the next time you reach for that bag of chips, think twice. Opt for healthier alternatives like air-popped popcorn, kale chips, or even homemade baked potato slices. Your skin and your body will thank you for making the healthier choice. Remember, every bite you take is a step towards either aging gracefully or speeding up the clock. Choose wisely and let your snacks reflect your commitment to a youthful, vibrant you. Red meat, steak, burgers, and ribs. They're often the stars of our barbecues and family dinners. But did you know that red meat can be an age accelerator? That's right. Indulging in too much red meat could be adding years to your biological clock. Let's dive into why. First, red meat is high in saturated fats. These fats can contribute to the development of cardiovascular diseases by increasing bad cholesterol levels. Over time, clogged arteries and weakened heart function can make you feel older than you actually are. Then there's the issue of advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. Red meat, especially when cooked at high temperatures, is a significant source of AGEs. These compounds can cause oxidative stress and inflammation in your body, leading to the breakdown of collagen and elastin in your skin. The result? Premature wrinkles and a lackluster complexion. Moreover, studies have shown that high consumption of red meat is linked to chronic inflammation. This inflammation can accelerate aging processes throughout your body, affecting not just your skin, but also your organs and overall health. But it's not all doom and gloom. You don't have to cut out red meat entirely. Moderation is key. Opt for lean cuts and try to limit your intake to a few times a week. Consider incorporating more plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu into your diet. These alternatives can provide the nutrients you need without speeding up the aging process. So the next time you're grilling that steak, remember, a little goes a long way. Your body and your skin will thank you for making smarter choices. Remember, what you put on your plate today can determine how you look and feel tomorrow. Choose wisely and age gracefully. Let's talk about something that might be lurking in your pantry right now: canned soup. It's convenient, it's comforting, and it's often marketed as a healthy meal option. But beware, this seemingly innocent food can be a sodium trap that accelerates the aging process. First, let's discuss the sodium content. A single can of soup can contain more than half of your recommended daily intake of sodium. High sodium levels can lead to water retention, making your skin look puffy and aged. It can also contribute to high blood pressure, which strains your heart and blood vessels, accelerating the aging of your cardiovascular system. Moreover, excessive sodium can lead to chronic dehydration. When your body is dehydrated, your skin becomes dry and less elastic, making fine lines and wrinkles more prominent. Over time, this can contribute to a dull, aged complexion. But that's not all. Many canned soups contain preservatives and additives that can have inflammatory effects on your body. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the aging process, affecting everything from your skin to your internal organs. So what can you do? The good news is you don't have to give up soup entirely. Opt for low-sodium varieties, or even better, make your own soup at home. This way you control the ingredients and can pack your soup with anti-aging superfoods like vegetables, legumes, and lean proteins. Remember, convenience doesn't have to come at the cost of your health. A little extra effort in the kitchen can go a long way in keeping you looking and feeling youthful. So next time you reach for that can of soup, think twice and consider a healthier alternative. Your body will thank you. Now, let's talk about something that's almost synonymous with modern life: fast food. It's quick, it's tasty, and it's everywhere. But did you know that it's also a recipe for rapid aging? First, let's consider the nutritional profile of most fast food items. They are typically high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. These elements are not just bad for your waistline, they can wreak havoc on your skin and overall health. The high levels of trans fats found in many fast foods can lead to clogged arteries, reducing blood flow and depriving your skin of essential nutrients and oxygen. This can accelerate the formation of wrinkles and make your skin look dull and lifeless. Beyond that, fast food is often loaded with sugar and refined carbs, which can spike your blood sugar levels. This not only increases your risk of developing diabetes, but also leads to the formation of advanced glycation, end products, ages. Ages damage collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm and youthful. But it doesn't stop there. The high sodium content in fast food can lead to water retention, causing puffiness and bloating, which can make you look older than you are. Additionally, many fast food items contain preservatives and artificial additives that can trigger inflammation in your body. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in the aging process, affecting your skin, joints, and even your brain. So what can you do? Moderation is key. While it's okay to indulge occasionally, making fast food a regular part of your diet can accelerate the aging process. Opt for healthier alternatives whenever possible. Choose grilled over fried, fresh vegetables over fries, and water over sugary sodas. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in how you look and feel. Remember, fast food might save you time now, but it can cost you years later. Choose wisely and your future self will thank you. We've just gone through 14 of the foods that are like culinary crimes against your body. But don't think you need a complete kitchen makeover to start looking and feeling younger. Small changes can make a massive difference. Swap those processed nasties for fresh, whole foods, and you'll be amazed at how much better you look and feel. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.